Well, I've just had my first weigh-in after my holiday and I gained 3.5 pounds. Oh my God. What am I going to do about it? Well, I'm going to get back on track, and as we know, weight loss is easy, so strap in and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Right, well that's how I felt on the first weigh-in after the holiday. I flew back on the Monday and I weighed on the Wednesday. Yep, 3.5 pounds. Hardly surprising. Possibly a lot of water retention due to the salt in all that yummy French food I had. But yeah, I've got a mountain to climb. I now weigh 15 stone, 13.5 pounds. Wow, that's nearly 16 stone again. Nothing to beat myself up about too much because I did hit 20, well in fact my heaviest ever was 23 stone. First thing, take a deep breath and tell myself that I'm 4 stone lighter than when I started this particular journey 84 weeks ago. But I've been 1.5 stone lighter and I want to get it back. Now, I'm not going to beat myself up. I've had a great few holidays over the last few months, some might say too many, but it's time to get real. And what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to do what I always do. Plan, track, tweak. That's it. It's that simple. So those of you that have been watching know that I use MyFitnessPal and I pick a fairly typical plan. Now, I target 1200 on a day, and I know people say it's not enough, and it's not enough. But I go for a 300 calorie-ish for breakfast, which for me currently is overnight oats. I go for 300 calorie-ish for lunch, which is usually about 100 grams of pasta, some protein and a little bit of lighter than light mayo. That will change as the colder weather comes in, but I'm quite liking that at the moment. And it's got loads of protein. And for my evening meal, I plan something round about 600 calories. Sometimes it's a bit less, sometimes it's a bit more. So they're locked in, they're planned. Classic example is at the moment I'm eating a lot of fish because I'm trying to get some protein in because I'm going to the gym and I need it for recovery. So cue picture of fish. But let's go through a fairly typical day during this week. And we're going to pick Friday. Breakfast kicked in at 226 calories. It was the overnight oats. Lunch was the pasta, obviously. Evening meal was smoked haddock, sweet potato fries, and I treated myself to a little bit of malt loaf. That day came in at 1227. Now it's quite possible I could have also had some snacks in there, which is why I target 1200. MyFitnessPal has me down as needing about 1800 to still lose weight, so that's that. In fact, that day I did actually finish on 1227. So let's go for Sunday. Sunday overnight oats and the normal lunch, that's kicking in at just shy of 600. I was working on Sunday, which never makes me feel good, but I did manage to have some snacks during the day, which was a couple of slices of toast and some peanut butter, which made it up to another 300, so I'm already on 900. So I goes to Co-op, gets myself a meal deal, chicken and bacon smoked sub roll, one of those low-calorie marshmallow covered in chocolate things. When I say low calories, it's still 145, and a bag of tangy cheese Doritos. That came in at 869. More importantly, the day still kicks in at 1800. So if you start to plan your day, you can deviate from that plan as the day goes on. So I always try and lock in 2 planned meals. Doesn't always work out that way, but that's what seems to be working for me. So anyway, I'm going to go back to the magic numbers again. I finished the week with a calorie deficit of 1500 calories, which meant I ate 200 below MyFitnessPal's recommended on average, and I got that by targeting 12 and allowing a bit of leeway. So that's my first week of being semi back on track, and let's wait till next week and find out how I did. So I'm back, I'm doing it for real, and hopefully you'll join me on this journey. I'm hoping I've got another holiday in October. I'm hoping to have shifted a stone by then. Let's see, do you reckon I can do it? What are your hints when you get back on track? How long do you take a break for? Let me know in the comments. The only way to learn from each other is to talk to each other. So thanks for watching. I hope you're glad that I'm back in the zone because the last few weeks have been a bit lame, but I'm happy with that.